two, a one, two, three, four.
Well, if you have a plane tomorrow west from the mountain, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kids on route 66, wet wines from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles away. Get your kids on route 66. The girls in Missouri and John in Missouri, and all that was said it looks just so pretty. You see Amarillo, a gal up New Mexico, Texas, Arizona, don't forget Arizona, Nebraska, strong everything for you. Get into the sky and see, and go take that California trip. Get your gigs on Route 66. Go.